Okay, another pattern that we can use is one line of corks like this, two lines of corks like that. And we have a little bit of a gap right there, but later on I'll just stick a little extra piece of cork next to that. And you'll do two lines like this. Again, you want to offset them so it's kind of a brick pattern. And then we'll go back and do, let's see, we'll continue that all the way out. And we'll come back and do another line like this. And basically continue that alternating pattern all the way down.